Hatire gaja uthite na mbere na kwirorera Kiheo Television ali Sunday ya muthia ya mweri wa gatano ni Sunday ya 31 na mkaribu hari mohoro maria tukuhaririirie na nie guguthomera njitagwo Francis Wairura ali mohoro ma Kiheo Kabiro thaa imwe na turabiria na mohoro kuma kanitha-ini wa ACK kuona uteti ukoretwo ukihiuha gicinga ngwatiro oro muthenya guku bururi-ini riu nake muthikabu munene wa kanitha wa ACK Diocese ya Nyahururu na niwe Major Retired Samson Gashathi ni athiite na mbere na gukorwo agikumithia uteti wa mugayukano o ndomwe na rumena akiaria hindi igongona ria mwanya kanitha-ini wa Nyahururu wa Christ the King Cathedral ohono athiite na mbere na gukorwo akiuria ateti makoro mari muhari-ini wa mbere hari gukorwo makinyitithania muingi handu ha gukoragwo magituhuka miario iria ingirehe rumena o ndomwe na muku guku bururi-ini.
ACK Diocese of Nyahururu on the occasion of the enrollment of men into the Kenya Anglican Men's Association KAMA at Christ the King Cathedral, Nyahururu. Grace and peace to you from God our Father and the Lord Jesus Christ. As a diocese, we continue to be guided by our diocesan annual theme from Isaiah 54 verse 2, enlarge the place of your tent. This divine calling reminds us of our responsibility to expand the mission of the church, strengthen our spiritual foundations, reach out to the communities with the peace of, with the gospel of hope, and build a society grounded in righteousness, justice, peace, and moral responsibility. It is within this vision that we gather today for this important occasion. Today, the Diocese of Nyahururu gathers at Christ the King Cathedral, Nyahururu, for the sacred and significant occasion of the enrollment of men into the Kenya Anglican Men's Association KAMA. This occasion is not merely ceremonial, but a spiritual and reaffirmation of the calling of Christian men to become faithful disciples of Christ, responsible heads of families, defenders of moral values, promoters of peace, and servants within the church and society.
Na tukiuma mwena ucio wa Nyahururu riu tuciukie nginyagia kuria kaunti-ini ya Kericho. Thiku nyinyi tukuma mwaki thiini wa thukuru wa Utumishi Academy Gilgil kaunti-ini ya Naikuru wacungiriria ikuo cia arutwo 16 na angi gukorwo matigitwo na nguraro njuru. Riu minister ugitiri wa thiini wa bururi niwe Kipchumba Murkomen ni athiite na mbere na gukorwo akiuria arutani anene a mathukuru gutigirira ati kuri na cameras cia CCTV thiini wa thukuru ari njira imwe ya kugitira arutwo ahenite ndumiriri ino ari kaunti-ini ya Kericho.
One of the things we established from Utumishi Academy is that some of the teachers took the information that came from the students for granted. You know, some very good children here know what is going on in the dormitory and other places, and they are willing to give you the information. They just need to know how that information can reach you quietly without them being exposed. And so I want to encourage teachers, build good networks and relationship with your students so that you can get feedback about what's coming in the school. There are no drugs that are sold in any school that the students don't know. There is no strike that is planned that a good number of students don't know. And good students are willing to give that information. Let us make our schools a safe place for the good students to find a way of giving information to the administration and ensure that there is no distance between the children and the administration. Let's use suggestion boxes. I went to one of the schools the other day and they just asked in school, how many students here smoke? Then the students were given papers to write. And everybody wrote about 10 students. They cannot be wrong. You know, they cannot be wrong. And I want to tell you students, be your sister's keeper. be your sister's keeper. I was reviewing the CCTV footage of Utumishi Academy, and I felt very sad. I even struggled to sleep because we could see the kids who are coming to light the fire. It's very brilliant kids. Some who have got the best because that's a high school, that's a national school. But for them to just get paraffin and a matchbox and burn a dormitory, really consciously seeing their colleagues sleeping there and walk out and leave them to die, that is something, that is the most demonic thing I saw myself and I've seen. And I must say this, that as children and as students, as teenagers, because most of you are teenagers, you need to know that it is not enough to be brilliant. It is important to have the right character, to have the attitude of learning, to have the necessary skills that you need to navigate life. Don't only focus on, I must pass my exams. You must ask yourself, where is the place of character and discipline in your life?
Na tugithii na mbere ni ati mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Samoei Ruto ni atitithĩtie bata wa kugacĩrithia maria maturigicĩirie, akiaria hindi ya mahenya ma ngari maria ni ma 37 ma Rhino na maria makoragwo makihanikira kana maria makoragwo makihanika o mwaka ni athire na mbere na okorwo akiuga ati bururi ni utanyite gukorwo gikinyanĩrio hadi wa miti bilioni 1 ukirika mwaka uyu.
And while he comes, he'll also recognize some of the
number 2 kwa Marsabit,
chairman of the Conservancy. And the next check is the total amount that has been raised.
wewe ndio ulipea nomination huko Baringo.
Over the 7 years, you have proven that partnership between the private and public sectors can accomplish. You have raised close to 2.8 billion Kenya shillings for conservation of our very precious forests. But our work must endure. The fences you have built, the legacy you have created, must be sustained for generations to come. That is why I'm proud to learn that Rhino Arc has established an endowment fund. And so today, I'm delighted that we will be launching the Rhino Arc Endowment Fund officially.
Na riu tukimulika meharĩrĩria ma madaraka ni ati atongoria kaunti-inĩ ya Wajir ni mathiĩte na mbere na gũkorwo makĩhĩmbĩria madaraka kana thigũkũ ya madaraka ĩrĩa ĩrarĩrĩirio gũgakorwo ĩkĩhanĩka mũthenya wa rũciũ. Mũtongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Samoei Ruto nĩwe ũgakorwo ũgĩtongoria thigũkũ ĩno gatagatĩ ka atongoria angĩ, na madaraka ĩkoragwo ĩkĩririkanwo mũno nĩ gũkorwo atĩ nĩguo bũrũri wa Kenya wathire na mbere na ũkorwo ũkĩgwatĩra wĩyathi wa thĩinĩ mwaka wa 1963.
Ningependa nishukuru Mheshimiwa Rais kwa kuitikia mwito wetu kama viongozi wa kaunti ya Wajir. Kwa hakika tangu nchi yetu imepata uhuru, kuna mambo fulani tuliwahi kufikiria haitawezekana katika sehemu hii ya wafugaji. Lakini kwa amri ya Mwenyezi Mungu na pia kwa serikali yetu kiongozwa na Mheshimiwa William Ruto tumeona mabadiliko.
I want to ask and urge the people of Wajir and the people of Northern Kenya to come out on serious note to welcome the president. On behalf of the people of Wajir, I want to take this opportunity to actually welcome His Excellency the President to Wajir.
We had several other projects that has come with this 63rd Madaraka Day. For the first time in Wajir, we have a state lodge, a mini state lodge, which puts us at the epicenter of the presidential operation. From Wajir, the president will be able to fly to Marsabit County, fly to Moyale, fly to any part of the northern frontier district.
na tulio mweno cio Northeastern ate speaker wa bunge Isiolo Mohamed Roba Koto ni ahitũkĩtio nĩ rũrĩrĩ rwa Karaio harĩ gũkahũranĩra gĩturwa kĩa ũgavana kaunti-inĩ ya Isiolo. Akiaria hĩndĩ ya mũcemanio mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa rũrĩrĩ rwa Karaio na nĩwe Charfana Guyo Moku oigĩte atĩ thutha wa gũkorwo macemanĩtie ta athuri mahĩtũkĩte na kayũ kamwe na makoiga atĩ speaker ũyũ nĩwe mwagĩrĩru mũno makĩria gũtuĩka atĩ nĩ aiyũkia gĩturwa kĩa ũgavana kaunti-inĩ ya Isiolo.
Hapa leo tumekusanyika jamii wa Borana section wa Karayu. Hapa leo hawa jamii ya Karayu wametoka kila ward katika kaunti ya Isiolo. Ward 10 katika kaunti hii. Kina mama, vijana na wazee. Tarehe 17 mwezi huu BC wa Karayu waliketi kikao kubwa sana kupata gavana moja kati ya candidate watano. Hawa kamati waliketi kikao siku 3 na baada siku 3 tukawahi kupata candidate moja. Leo tumekusanyika hapa tukaita hii jamii yetu wa Karayu kutoka sehemu yote ili tuwatangazie hawa hiyo candidate ni nani, na tumepata attendance kubwa vile mnaona. Watu waliketi tangu asubuhi saa 2 hapa mpaka saa hii saa 9.
Kwa hiyo hatukusikizana afanye uwizi katika kaunti. Kwa hiyo hatukusikizana agawanyishe wa Borana. Huyo hatukusikizana aibe mali ya yatima. Huyo hatukusikizana aibe pesa ile inafaa kusaidia wagonjwa. Wakati niliona venye tumeelewana, ameanza kwenda kando, ameanza kuleta marafiki yake kutoka Nairobi, ameanza kuleta mgawanyiko kati ya makabila. Nikapewa
na thutha wa kwamũkĩra riboti ĩyo tũkwamba gwĩkĩrĩrwo hanini ndũkae gũthiĩ kũraya amu nĩ tũracokereria.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, ceceni ya redio iria ikurehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambĩrĩrio kinyagia gatano. Tabarĩra ciĩhotanĩire kwambĩrĩria rũcinĩ kinya hwaĩ-inĩ thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rũcinĩ. Nyitanagĩra na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady thĩinĩ wa Gĩthima rũcinĩ thaa 8 nginya thaa 10. Ũkanyitanĩra na Celestine Waka the Favored wa thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Shangwe. Igĩkinyĩria thaa 10 ũkaingĩra kĩberereki thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya Ngwatanĩro na Kamau wa Waithĩra KW. Mũgaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia ũtukũ, nakuo kwambĩrĩria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia ũtukũ ukanyitanĩra na Susan Wangoro the Women Rep thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya ikũmbĩ rĩa Kĩgoco. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving tũĩkaine nĩ kũruta matereva a gĩkĩro kĩa igũrũ marĩ na ũigĩrĩrĩki mũnene barabara-inĩ. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva utereva wa marori na class D ni utereva wa ngari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici-ini citu Rwesambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM, kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Ruoro rugitema koragwo wi wa mbere kumenya maria marahanika guku bururi-ini na nja wa itoka cia Kenya.
Just on a few days ago, bururi wothe turaragia horo wa Nairobi. 2-3 days after, there is no guturaria thaisi.
Na mwana ucio kana mundu ucio ndarakorora ni turi maneuvers cia kuguteithiriria ki mundu ucio aya atari aratuika unresponsive.
Gutiri ugu wekira mwana ndwara wa mutani muigananire tondu ndi mutiradi sarumu riri we muciari ndwekira ndwara cikinyite kuu koguo no indo ndurikatia nduguthabio nawe
athiite gwaka hau tondu hatiri handu ona hamwe angihota gwika atia gwaka gutiri gwake gutiri kwao. Mundu ucio agirwo gwikarirwo thi ni aria me thirikari-ini magacira matongoretio ni abunge senators aria macira makauga atiri kwina ndo itumena the ti tondu we nuinuka nyumba-ini ya ihiga gutina thina andu acio ritwicirie uhoro wao.
Nyitanagira na Francis Wairura na Wanjiko wa Mwangi tabarira-ini ya gugithereruka o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano thinashara na nuthu kinyagia thaa 3 cia rucini mitambo-ini ya Kiheo TV kihumo kia.
Ino ni ceceni ya Kiheo TV kihumo kia witikiriku.
Naam, karibu ni twacokereria hari kirekaria keri na ria muthia. Wagi wa arutani a rũthiomi rwa gĩthũngũ nĩguo kihumo kinene kia mathomo ma gĩthũngũ kwaga gũkorwo magĩka wega harĩ gĩtarũ-inĩ kia Afrika. Ndũmĩrĩri ĩno ĩheanĩtwo harĩ kĩgomano kĩrĩa kĩhanĩkĩire thĩinĩ wa thukuru ya ngathĩ ya igũrũ ũrĩa nĩ wa Zetech gũkũ mũciĩ-inĩ wa Nairobi. Ndũmĩrĩri ĩno ĩheanĩtwo na ũgakĩrĩkana kana mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene na niwe Mahamba Sebastiana akiuga ati hena bata wa thirikari cia Nigeria, thirikari cia Kenya o ũndũ ũmwe na thirikari iria ingĩ gĩtarũ-inĩ kia Afrika gũkorwo igĩkĩrĩra harĩ wandĩkani wa arutani arĩa magĩthomithia rũthiomi rwa gĩthũngũ.
We are told that every year incrementally in the English language there are additional of 8,500 new vocabularies, meaning even the way the language is taught keeps on changing. And therefore this kind of a forum is so important so that the educators can get to learn the new dynamics that are emerging in the teaching and the use of English language, not only in Kenya, but in the whole continent of Africa. We have the Africa Agenda of 2063, which talks about the unification of Africa in many fronts. You cannot be united if you do not have a common language. When we strengthen English, we are even hastening the process of achievement of African Agenda of 2063.
To help teachers, especially that we have challenges with the new curriculum, competency-based curriculum. The teachers have not been trained enough, and if the government trains them, then at least the very few have the opportunity to attend those training because of the resources, lack of money. So we are coming in to fill in the gap by bringing the teachers together and training them about the competency-based curriculum, especially through our networking with the Africa ELTA. Like now we are honored to host the Africa ELTA as an associate.
Na riu tukimulika bitika cia mubira ni ati mashabiki timu ya PSG riu matirahutika na ni thutha wao guthi na mbere na gukorwo magikungwira horo wigi timu ino gukorwo ihotanite na gukorwo ihotanite hari horo wigi title ya riu makoiga ati mari na mwihoko ati no meguthi na mbere na gukorwo makihotana hari bitika ingi cia muthako uyu. Na riboti iyo yo hotani wa PSG ni yakore gitwikirira gaturumo ka mohoro maria tugukuhariririe ngai witu enda reke tugatungana nawe muthenya wa rucio Juma wika no ndituma na mumemerekia na ruthiomi rwa moko na niwe ogwito Laurino no ni ndwa maundu matiganite tutina ikoro tukinyitanira hamwe nake ngai witu enda no tugakorwo tuli nake kiumia giki kingi twerekeire nie njitago Francis Wairuraga kwendithirio utuku mwega o ndume na madaraka mena umithio.
Mwangaza wa Neno FM, shesheni ya redio ire kurehagira umemerekia muthuranire o muthenya wa mwambiririo kinyagia gatano tabarira cihotanire kwambiriria rucini kinya hwaini thaa 11 kinyagia thaa 4 cia rucini nyitanagira na Esther wa Mathenge the Kingdom Lady theinie wa githima rucini thaa 8 nginya thaa 10 ukanyitanira na Celestine Waka the Favored One theinie wa tabarira ya Shangwe igikinyiria thaa 10 ukaigira kiverereki theinie wa tabarira ya Ngwataniro na Kamau wa Waithira KW mugaterevana kinyagia thaa 2 cia utuku na kukwambiriria thaa 2 kinyagia thaa 5 cia utuku ukanyitanira na Susan Wagoro the Women Rep theinie wa tabarira ya Ikubi ria Kigosho. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na wigirereki munene farafaraini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muingi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na Smart Driving License. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici citoro Esambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. Ruoro rugitema koragwo wi wa mbere kumenya maria marahanika guku bururi-ini na nja wa itoka cia Kenya.
Just only a few days ago, bururi wothe turaragia horo wa Nairobi. 2-3 days after, thaici no guturaria thaici.
Na mwana ucio kana mundu ucio ndarakorora ni turi maneuvers cia kuguteithiriria ki mundu ucio aya atari aratwika unresponsive
gutiri ugu wekira mwana ndwara wa mukani muigananire tondu ndi mutiradi sarumu riri we muciari ndwikira ndwara cikinyite kuu koguo no indo ndurikatia ndũgũthambio nawe
athiĩte gwaka hau tondũ hatirĩ handũ ona hamwe angĩhota gwĩka atĩa gwaka gũtirĩ gwake gũtirĩ kwao mũndũ ũcio agĩrĩirwo nĩ gũikarĩrwo